how to get live data on TradingView. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply click on your profile picture in the top left corner and then simply hover your mouse over your username, then go to account and billing. Now the next step is to simply scroll down and click on change plan, and then you're gonna have to simply choose a plan from here. So basically, as you can see here, to access real-time data on TradingView, you can subscribe to a plan that offers the ability to buy real-time data as part of its features. So what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and look for live data analytics here. So you should, I think, if I'm not wrong, even this one here has it. So you can look around and see if this has it or not. But in order to get live data, you're gonna have to subscribe to a paid plan. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.